Welcome back to Business Help. In this video, we're going to be going over how to use the Sum and AutoSum functions here in Excel. So we're going to go here. We're first going to use the sum features like a calculator would. So we're going to click on cell A2, hit the equals sign here. That's how you activate functions here in Excel. We're going to use 2 plus 2. So equals 4, which obviously we all know. So now we're going to use how do we sum a 2 and a 2 together here. So I'm going to use the same equal sign. Now I'm going to click on this cell here. I'll hit the plus sign. I'm going to click on this cell here. Now it's going to sum those two together. So that's an easy way to sum like a calculator. You can sum as many digits as you want. Like I'll show you here, we'll use 5 digits here. Okay, so now we have 5 digits here, but that can be a really painstaking process, especially if you got 30, 40 numbers, or even 10 numbers, so it's a lot. So we're going to go over here, we're going to use the AutoSum feature, which you can find here up in the top right corner here on your home page, or on the formulas section right here in the AutoSum. So I'm going to click AutoSum here, the AutoSum button. Now I can AutoSum all the way across like I'm going to show you right here, but that could be real annoying. Maybe you have 20 or 30 things you have to sum. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete this real quick. So now this is my AutoSum function right here. I'm going to click enter. It's already, so I can click in the bottom right hand corner of this with a little square and drag it across. Now it's going to sum all the way across. That works great. And it also works here on, you can also use the same feature here on horizontal. So I'm going to sum, I'm going to drag that down. But now if I wanted to sum a totals row here, it's very difficult because if I would first off try and select it, and it only goes back to the first one here. But so if using a totals, trying to sum something you already AutoSum, you're going to hit the AutoSum button below it, or wherever it is, and click that range. But now let's say if I want to put my totals row down here, how would I do that? I'm going to click the AutoSum button as well, but instead of using that number right there, I'm going to hit the backspace. I'm going to highlight these numbers right here. So now it's going to give me my total down here. But what happens if I wanted to keep these numbers all the same? So I wanted every single row to have this as their answer. I'm going to do this here. I'm going to click the AutoSum here. I'm going to hit the backspace again. I'm going to select this as the area I want to sum. So now instead of being able to like move back and forth, the way that you do this is you're going to hit your F4 key. It's going to lock those in place. So now when I would drag these down, they're all going to say 2174, which is what I want. If I would not use that function here, when I would drag the function down, it's just going to drag it down like I would have up here. It's going to give me the same answer you can see as this answer and this answer. So this is very helpful if, say, you wanted to sum something and use it down your whole spreadsheet or wherever. So this is how you would do it, just the function F4, remember that. And hope this video is very helpful here. I know it's short, but hope it was helpful. And if you liked this video, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. And leave any comments you have for future videos or ideas you want for future videos in the comment section